Do you want to stop people to typing in your server? This tutorial review will show you how you can stop people from typing in Discord. So the first thing you have to do is open your server and click on server name, server settings, select rows, click on create row, give the role name here, mute, click on save changes, close this window, and now for example I want to stop people typing in this example channel, so I'm going to clicking on this settings icon, clicking on permissions, and here click on this plus icon next to roles members, select the mute role, and here scroll down and search for send messages. Once you get it, all you have to need just to select disable, tap on save changes, and after that no one will be able to type anything in this channel. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe tutorial reviewer. See you in the next video.